everybody, Sean Gavin with Tucker USA. Just want to take a few minutes to talk to you about the Tucker Glide brushes. Specifically, we have the Tucker Alpha Glide brush. Now, Alpha indicates that it has our swivel as well as our over-the-top rinse bar built into the brush. This brush here has the swivel, the over-the-top rinse bar, and 4 pencil jets. You can run the jets or the rinse bar independent, or we sell a kit that actually connects those and you can run all of that at one time if you have enough water flow from your system. The swivels themselves, the way they operate is a simple left to right action. Twist of the pole will send the swivel in that direction, twist the other way will send it in that direction. There's an adjustment nut on the top that's built in that you can essentially adjust the friction or the drag, if you will, of the swivel. So you can make that action really loose or you can make it really tight. In fact, you can tighten it in enough to where it won't move and you've essentially locked it in. So that's the functionality of the swivel. The over-the-top rinse bar is really designed to be utilized with the swivel in this position, right? So you're coming across the top of the window, the frame is here. Your rinse bar is then rinsing behind your movement, right? So you're rinsing while you go and you can work your way down. A bit like fanning a window with a squeegee. Instead of straight pulls, you kind of come across like that and catch the tip of the squeegee along the top. Same principle, that same action. So the rinse bar delivers the water over the top of the brush. So if you're coming straight up and you don't angle it, what's going to happen is the water from the rinse bar will be up in the frame, not where you want it. So you're going to get that angle with the swivel action and rinse across rather than above, okay? Now, the bristle material itself on the glides, okay? I look all over the place for different materials for brushes. Obviously, we have nylon brushes, we have natural boar bristle brushes. There's pros and cons to every bristle that's on the market today, and certainly every bristle that we utilize for our brushes have them as well. The pros and cons to natural boar bristle, the pros, it's the best scrubbing you can get, period. Right? It's going to have the ability to really scrub, but the bristle itself holds water. It begins to feel a bit heavy. There's some fatigue that sets in, and there's drag on the glass because the bristle is natural, so it's dragging on the surface a lot like if you were to wet your hair and drag your finger across it. You're going to have drag there, right? So the natural boar bristle does the same thing, so that's really a con. Another con to a natural boar bristle brush is because the bristle is a natural fiber, it breaks, so they shed, right? Bristle will fall out. This is all natural because of the material itself. Just like your hair can break, just like your hair can fall out, the natural boar bristle does the same thing. The pros tend to outweigh that when you're looking for a really big scrub from a brush, so the natural boar bristle is still an ideal material. The material we're utilizing in the glide brush is a lot like a natural boar bristle, except for you don't get quite the drag or the scrub that you would get from a natural boar bristle. I want to say if you were to measure it, you get about 80% effectiveness. It's a lot more aggressive with its scrub than a nylon bristle. So its pros are going to be along the lines of this bristle is a lot like a natural boar bristle, but it will last you far longer. Another pro over it would be that it doesn't drag on the glass, it doesn't hold water, so it's a lot easier to rinse, and it doesn't build up weight and create fatigue. A con would be that it doesn't scrub quite as much as a natural boar bristle brush. But I would say it's so much better than a nylon bristle brush, which is the traditional brush of most of the suppliers out there, that we've made it our standard brush to go with all of our poles. So if you buy any of our poles, you're going to get a glide bristle with a locked gooseneck attachment, not the swivel alpha as you see here, but that material, that bristle material is what we've gone to as standard in all of our brushes. Again, the fullness of the brush on the glide, you've got a lot of material in there in terms of the bristles themselves. They're all the same length. So it's not a dual trim like our hybrids would be. It's all that same length. And the reports back from users are they've either upgraded from this and replaced the natural boar because the cons of the natural boar outweighed the pros of this, or it's right there pretty much with the performance of the natural boar. Those purists that are natural boar only, that's a tough guy to get away from that bristle and over to this one. So I still think there's a place for the natural boar bristle on the market today. But that's a brief rundown on the Glide bristle itself, as well as the Alpha configuration in the Glide brush. Thanks so much for joining me. If you have more questions or need information, please reach out to us at 303-663-1779. And you can check out all of our products at tuckerusa.com. Thank you very much.